Screams can affect and scare us for several reasons, primarily because they trigger a natural and instinctive response in our brains. Here are a few factors that contribute to the impact of screams. Biological response. Screams often produce a startle reflex, which is an innate survival mechanism. When we hear a sudden and loud scream, our bodies react by releasing adrenaline, increasing heart rate, and heightening our senses. This physiological response prepares us to respond to potential danger, helping us stay alert and ready to take action. Emotional contagion. Humans are highly social beings, and we have the ability to empathize with others' emotions. When we hear someone screaming, especially in distress or fear, it triggers an emotional response within us. We can feel a sense of fear, concern, or unease due to the perceived suffering or danger experienced by the person screaming. Threat perception. Screams often indicate a threat or danger in the environment. Throughout evolution, our ancestors needed to be aware of potential threats to their survival, and loud vocalizations, such as screams, served as warning signals. Therefore, our brains are wired to perceive screams as potential indicators of danger, leading to heightened fear and vigilance. Cultural conditioning. The impact of screams can also be influenced by cultural factors and personal experiences. Cultural narratives, movies, and other forms of media often associate screams with horrifying or dangerous situations. Consequently, we may have learned to associate screams with fear, and these associations can amplify the emotional response when we hear them. Uncertainty and anticipation. Screams can be unsettling because they often signal the presence of the unknown. When we hear a scream, we may not know what caused it or what danger may be lurking. This uncertainty and anticipation can generate fear and anxiety, as our minds try to fill in the gaps with imagined or potential threat. It's important to note that individual responses to screams may vary, and some people may have different tolerance levels or reactions depending on their personal history, cultural background, or other factors.